Morning. What is up? Beautiful day. Beautiful day to shoot some pranks. I can't believe this weather. That's why we're driving 2 hours today to shoot. You guys requested this. The pudding, baby. The pudding poop prank in the hood. That's where we're headed today. We're going to Cincinnati, Ohio. So let's do it, you and me. Let's get motivated. Screw the rain. Screw the weather. Let's go. What's up, Cincinnati? It's been a long time. Been a long time. Been a long time. So we just, Gilroy and I just had to come into Kentucky to fill these air tanks and then back into Cincinnati. Hopefully they can fill these up. We just landed some random. Oh God, okay.
Just find some girl to fill these up.
We just found some random paintball shop here in Kentucky. And when you're doing this kind of prank, you need a lot of gas. Okay, so that was a fail. If you ever want to come to Land, Air, and Sea, just know that they do not fill these type of tanks. So you just need air and just... It don't work that way, dude.
Really?
It just doesn't work. Oh, we're never gonna fill these things. All right, where are we going? All right, we've come across it looks like a house, but it's actually a paintball shop. Not bad. You would never guess by the outside. Just up to this paintball shop to get our tanks filled, and we didn't even know, but behind the shop is this crazy paintball arena. I think it would only be fair if we did a paintball meetup and had like everyone comes to play paintball, right? Would you come, Chase?
Yeah, I would come.
I would too. Maybe. Oh man, this place looks so fun. Look at the possibilities, guys.
It's just plastic pallets and tubing.
It's just fun. Yeah. Fills them right up outside. I feel like I should give that guy a shout out because he just hooked us up. Place is called Die Hard Paintball in Kentucky. Newport, Kentucky.
Dude, that's the coolest little shop.
DieHardPaintball.com, it's on the door. He hooked it up. Let's go, finally. So I got the goods, I got the tank. Now we just gotta get pudding in this tube. And I've never actually tried to suck the pudding out. I know Chase, he's got a good suck, so maybe you'd be better at it.
I actually suggested that I did.
You could suck a golf ball through a garden hose, dude.
I've been practicing on watermelons. I'm getting pretty good at it.
Oh, this is it. This is it.
No way.
Look at that. Just suck it right up.
Oh, it works? Yeah. That easy. Lick it off, baby. Here.
So much easier. We do need a wad at the end, so we'll use our paper towels for that.
We don't need this stuff?
Wow, that works so fast.
Damn, that's awesome.
I'm sitting there with a spoon.
Dude, I know.
You're so good at sucking.
Man, maybe that was it. Maybe it is actually hard, but with my lips, I'm just... These are the best shit cleaners in Cincinnati, bro.
That's what I do for a living.
Everyone really thinks you're cleaning shit. That's the best part.
There's one guy who's like walking by like, that's trifling. That's so trifling.
Trifling?
Yeah. Oh, what's up, Roman Atwood? Oh God, Roman Atwood!
Hang on.
I'm your biggest fan!
Girl, you all messed up, girl.
Stop it, oh my God.
Dude, it actually looks legit.
Roman Atwood? Do you want vlogs?
Dennis Brody?
Oh my God! Where's Dennis? Dennis is here too!
Dude, that's whack. It looks actually legit.
You gotta wear that.
Like that could really be you. You got the David Hasselhoff going on, bro.
Hey.
I actually like it.
Your head out, Rudy! Look at that. I'm Bieber. Or not Bieber, what is that guy?
Dennis Bieber.
The Vine guy.
Nash Greer? I don't know what he does. I think the best part of this prank is being covered in pudding all day. Everywhere. Every time I look, I got like new pudding.
I got pudding in my pants, my heels.
That ain't pudding, bro. Just tell them that ain't pudding. Dude, there's just pudding everywhere, man. Everywhere. Should be worth it though. That was great. You don't have any anywhere.
Good.
You have no pudding.
My lips taste good.
Dude, you got that chick to run. Wow. She truly believed you had poop on your fingers.
I had crappy fingers. I was like, come on, girl, you know what's on my crap.
Oh.
Shit. I'm finding pudding on me now.
You got pudding too. You probably got pudding on you.
I'm pudding free.
This whole city's got pudding. This is sense of putty.
Sense of pudding.
Hey, we're shooting a prank down here. Look.
You gotta be on day, man!
Oh my God.
Oh, I just got popped! Oh my God.
It's pudding.
No, shit, bro.
Okay, wait. Oh shit, it's a restaurant. This is the worst part about our prank is having to clean it.
Tap, tap, tap.
So like, are we the first people who like did?
Nah, dude, we got everybody.
No.
Oh, God.
Alright, we're calling it a day on the prank. We've got so many reactions. I don't even know what we have. It's a mess. I'm covered in friggin' pudding, man. But you giving away pizza, bro?
So you guys like pudding or?
Pudding, we love pudding.
Just something.
Yes, pudding.
Is it?
Did you see what some guy took a dump on that sign? See the sign?
You guys like?
I'm sorry you for that.
guys-
Yo,
I tried to tell you when you walked out.
Back to Columbus we go. Had a great day. Look at that sunshine, man. Look at that. It ain't sunny in Columbus. It's raining. 2-hour difference from the rain. Look, you can already tell we're getting close to Columbus, dude. Look at that. Dude, this shit's looking evil, dude. It's looking evil. That's like end of times right there, man. That's like the end of the world type clouds. This could be my last vlog, guys. Oh my, dude, the one behind us. That's it. It's over. That's it. It's my last vlog. It's been nice knowing you guys. I've never seen the sky like this. So, smile more. Love you guys. I'm the guy that's dying to see a tornado. I don't want to see anybody get hurt, but I would be the guy that's filming a tornado.
Dude, we're done hearing about the clouds, bro.
No!
No one cares about the clouds, bro.
Your ass, little.
Who's that?
Hey! Hey, buddy! Yikes. So I'm back home and Brittany's putting a puzzle together of my old bank card that we tore up. And Zeus is so happy. Whoever, do you remember who got him this?
No, there was no name on
Oh, that's right, there was no name on it. Zeus loves this rope. Loves it. He's tired now though. Dude, he's got it. He's not holding back. He's just. Kane, you are so funny. He just put these boots on by himself. Nobody's watching. Oh my God, Kane.
It looks like a toddler.
See you, homie G.
Bye.
Oh, I didn't mean to hit you. Wow, that was really hard.
You broke my rib, actually.
All right, guys. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow in class, Miss Vaughn.
Looks like it's just you and me now. I am, mommy. This house is trashed. I leave for one day, and this is what you'll do.
That's what it was this morning.
I gotta give big credit to Brittany, her sister Veronica, and her mom. They did every Smile More order today. You order a Smile More order, you should have already got a notice that it is being shipped. Dude, that's so awesome. Good job, give me 5.
Hey, you're not going night-night in here. Come on, let's go night-night. He's never going to bed. Come on, let's go get up in your bed and go night-night.
Alright guys, that is all I got for you today. Everyone's asleep. I'm about to fall asleep. You can probably see it in these eyes. I'm tired. I cannot wait to upload the new prank. It's epic. I love it. I know you're going to love it. It cannot go up till Sunday morning. It cannot go up today, tomorrow. Sunday morning, early morning. I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out and enjoying the prank with us. Smile more. Getting that house clean. Earning your keep, boy. Dad is my hero. Look at him.